It's now Sunday. We had so much action out here yesterday and we used every single hand. There was no time to get any video. We didn't even think about video. The action out here yesterday was spectacular. It took a full day to get this cable all the way across the river. Probably
230 feet.
230 feet stretch. And it all started with us, me and Frank and Cliff on the other side, securing the cable, getting it untangled and tying it to a rope. Derek's not here today because he got beat up so bad. He really got torn up yesterday. Should be in the hospital probably. How'd that happen?
Yeah. Well, the boat was on the other side of the river, and our plan was to take a rope with the boat and bring a rope across. The rope was attached to the cable, and as we started bringing the rope across the river, some of the rope went into the water, and the current is so strong in the water, it started to pull all of the rope out of my hands into the river as the boat was coming across. Dave was trying to keep control of the boat in the high-speed water. It was really dangerous, trying to get back in alignment. And as that happened, it pulled all the rope into the water. And as the rope was going into the water, the cable started to go in the water. So we didn't want the cable to go across the river right then. We sort of wanted to do it in control. But as it turned out, everything started to go. So he shoots across the river, makes it all the way to the bank, and then everybody grabs the rope and starts pulling across the bank.
And we had 6 guys on this side, and you guys were pulling on the rope. We finally got to the cable.
Yeah. And then we pulled the cable and everything up.
Come on in a little closer because he's a soft talker.
We pulled the cable and got it all up there and hooked onto the truck and started pulling on it pretty hard. And as we got it up, the tripod fell over, and somebody would have been standing anywhere near it, it would have gotten hit.
Did you see that tripod fall over?
No, I was after some stuff, and I didn't.
You're doing a delivery run.
But when I got here, when we put the tripod up, we thought it was really anchored in there good. We had put big rocks in under it so it'd have a good foundation. We put rocks around it, but we didn't tie it off.
Yeah, the lesson with a tripod. If we went through that pulley up there on the top, see the pulley at the apex of the tripod, and went straight to a tree or something, the tripod would have been fine. But what we did was we went through that top pulley down to our anchor, and we just didn't have any foresight on it. Nobody thought of it, but that was for sure the way that we anchored was going to pull that tripod over.
Everything happened so fast.
And it happened really fast. And then the cable ended up back in the water again. And we ended up into an effort struggle, us against Mother Nature. And
it was tug of war.
Half the crew isn't here today because they're in bed. I mean, one guy was just short of having a heart attack. I don't see him. Anyway, we did get the cable up. It was quite a feat, really. Considering the conditions we're dealing with, I feel like we had a really good day. How about you guys?
I think it went well. Yeah. Didn't quite get as far as we wanted, but it went really well.
Making America great again.